friends, enemies, boys, girls, and those who are undecided. Bit of the bullet last night, and after a whole day of researching quieter helmets, if you're going to have an adventure type, you're on a hiding to nothing. But I found one that says it's quiet. I'll try it and see. I'm not going to mention which one it is until I've tried it. It may arrive, it may not fit, I may not like it, who knows. But paid for it online, boom boom boom, no problem. About an hour later, email, council tax is due. Well, the helmet sort of did a lot of damage to my account, and going up to pay the council tax, that will be me well overdrawn for a month. Never rains, but it pours bills, does it? I wouldn't mind, but we don't get a lot for our money being rural. We have no street lights. We separate all our rubbish so the bin men can just pick it up off the side of the road and throw it in. There's no effort involved, no wheeling or dragging around bins anymore. There hasn't been a road sweeper. There used to be a road sweeper come up our cul-de-sac about every month. Haven't seen him for months. Local policemen, well, they closed the police house eight or so years ago, and you never see the police in our parish. Don't even see them driving through, buggers. So, questions. What am I paying for? Medical services. Well, the hospital is in Chelmsford or Colchester. Our local doctors closed down, so we have to travel to another village. And I'm racking my brain to find out what the hell we're paying for. I mean, water rates, sewer rates, TV licence, everything else is separate. But the council tax, or poll tax, or whatever name you remember it by, don't do it, Birdie. When you live in a town and you've got street lights and street sweepers and bus service, I mean, our bus service, partly funded by the council, is abysmal. But every 2 hours, if you're lucky, if they turn up, and they finish at about 5:30, so if you go out, you can't go out for long. Nursing homes, yeah. So you go in a nursing home, and if you've got a house they sell it, and if you haven't they take your pension off you. So you're still subsidising yourself. Am I moaning? Am I being a bit of a bitch today? Yeah. End of the month blues. It's even worse for a pensioner because you can't do overtime to compensate. But then the government tax you like 40%, so your overtime's pointless. This country is screwing anybody on less than a high wage. All these immigrants want to come here, if only they realised. The country is a massive poverty trap for at least 90% of the population. Yeah, if you're a politician or a wealthy businessman or you're super rich, probably a beautiful place to live. But a normal working person or a pensioner, you are screwed. I think I've mowed enough now, haven't I? So I'll look forward to seeing if the new helmet fits, if it does, if it's quieter, blah-de-blah. I did try repositioning the mic in this helmet today. I'm not sure it will have made any difference. It's only moved an inch or so from the cheek pad to in front of my mouth, so who knows, probably be worse, in which case you won't get to see this video, will you? Have fun. Yeah, I'm still in a good mood. Ride safe and annoy the miserable buggers. Bye.